Can't do trap in Cubase. See? Trap. It's the DAW for old people. The Ice Cream Social. Alright, we're just gonna make a trap song or something. MIDI inserts. Go ahead and use Step Designer. Show you how I use it for some trap. Normalize. One shot mono. I'm gonna duplicate. Duplicate. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Triplets, yeah. There we go. Kinda don't like the hat anymore. Beat Designer. The original XLN XO. Insert left locator. There you go. And then I have this. Come here to the 808. I have a couple saved. I need a key for that. Freeze Midi Modifiers. Freeze Midi. Look at that. You can see that. Hold on, let me zoom in. That star. That star right there. Alright, freeze MIDI modifiers. What if I can make a macro? Okay, freeze. And add that. Freeze and duplicate. If that worked. Yeah, it did. Perfect. Let's duplicate that and like this. Oh, these are the same? Oh, what am I doing? You can't do trap in Cubase? Get out of here, dude. Just because you have some kooky person talking about making experimental music, giving a tutorial on how to make trap. Shots fired? 100%. I'm just shooting shots at other YouTubers. Already, I don't have a fall. I'm just like, just shooting at everybody, dude. Fuck it. All right, let's go. How do we do a trap melody? Do you just do like a minor chord? I mean, it's not the best. It's yep. Alright, I need a ghost note right here. That's what it looks like.